Huawei MatePad Pro 2 powered by Kirin 9000 SoC has passed 3C certification. Huawei, the Chinese technology giant, has passed through the 3C certification process in its home country for several devices ranging from a 40-watt charger to a new 4G and 5G smartphones as well as routers. Hey, what's up everyone, Anwar here and this is TechnoLeaks, so let's get started. As the Android tablet market share continues to lose the iPad success, Huawei believes there is still room for a new competitor. According to a new report, Huawei has a new tablet on the way meant to compete with the Apple iPad Pro and Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Now a new report revealed that the upcoming tablet from the company dubbed Huawei MatePad Pro 2, which carries the codename Venger, has passed through the 3C certification process in China. The device will be made available in two variants, one with a 12.2-inch screen supplied by the Huaxing and another with a 12.6-inch display panel provided by Samsung. Both of them are said to have support for a higher refresh rate. It's also said to be powered by the Huawei HiSilicon Kirin 9000 chipset, the latest flagship chipset from the Chinese giant. This could also be the last one from the company, at least for the time being till the restrictions imposed by the United States are lifted. The name of the device itself indicates that the tablet is the successor of the Huawei MatePad Pro 5G, which was first introduced in the European market in February last year and was later made available in China. The leakster claims that the new Huawei MatePad would arrive with a 12.9-inch OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The tablet's build is described as having very thin bezels and no punch hole camera, which leads us to wonder if it will be of the under display kind. In addition, the new tablet would run Huawei's Pad OS based on the company's incoming Harmony OS, the one that's meant to succeed EMUI 11, supported by more of Huawei's in-house services. As for the other devices that have passed through this certification process, the 4G smartphone is believed to be a part of the Huawei Enjoy lineup and could come with the support for 22.5-watt fast charging. There are two 5G smartphones which are expected to be a part of the Huawei Mate 40 lineup and could expand the portfolio of the Mate 40 series. We will have to wait for more information to determine if these claims are true or not. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Huawei MatePad Pro 2 next month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.